behind us. Oh, shit.
Take a video. At some point he might stop you.
Who?
They were doing one lane across the
It
bridge
is
at a
one
time.
lane. Oh, he's up here. That does say slow, yes? That does say slow, yes? He's not looking at me. Wow, look at the bridge,
And it rises up pretty high.
no doubt.
And what they're trying to do is they're going to get rid of the the gatekeeper where he's got to lift up.
Right.
Now the bridge is high enough that no mast is going to hit it. And they'd be smart to take this out and leave this as a fishing pier.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, look at the size of it.
Wow.
Go for it. Jay stayed. Maybe I'll send this video to Jay.